Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick pickup video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And for banning my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here, I have a package here from Ubik. I actually did a trade with a Instagram follower. So let's crack this open right here. So again, we traded. He got this from Ubik. So here it is. As you can see, it is a red Jordan box right here. You got the gold Jumpman right there in the middle. And then you have Levi's marking right there. So these are the Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG. And the colorway is black, black, black. So you can tell by the colorway, this is the black pair right here. And suggested retail was $225. And this is a size 10 right here. Crack this open. And again, you have this the card right here. Again, it will just say Jordan and Levi's are together again, fusing the signature Air Jordan style with Levi's premium denim. These two icons of sport and style reimagine their roots by combining the beauty of the Air Jordan 4 and the authentic heritage of Levi Strauss and Company. Right there. Okay, we got the Levi Strauss paper, and here is the pair right here. And since basically we were the person I did the trade with were practically neighbors, we're not far apart as far as the distance, so we just did a meetup, and again, easy trade right there. See, you got the gum bottom right there with the red hits right there, the white Jumpman, and the upper's pretty much this black denim. You got the Jumpman right there. Again, it looks more of like the tag from the jeans. You got the sizing. You got the Jumpman with the flight underneath. Again, you got the hang tag with Levi Strauss and Company one side, and then you have the Jordan, the Jumpman with the flight on the other side. This pair, you do have the red tag. This one will have Levi's on it. You got this, the laces are kind of like waxed right there. And in the back of the tongue, it will have Air Jordan Levi's right there. And the same thing on this one right here. And inside, it's again all black denim with the red Jumpman. And as far as the laces, again, you have like the tips right there. All right. So this pair was, wasn't really a pair that I was going for, but I knew I wanted to get it later down the road since resell on this is really not that much. But I had a shoe that he wanted, so I did the trade with him, and he added cash to it. But again, did the trade, easy trade, with pretty much like a neighbor of mine. So, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. YouTube, peace out.